Welcome aboard the Oceania Marina. It is 785 feet long and holds a total of 1,238 guests. The Marina is a mid-sized ship, making it ideal for seeing ports larger ships can't access. It also gives it a much more personalized and relaxing atmosphere. The Marina was built in 2011 and is being dry docked and refurbished in 2023. The ship has a total of 8 different types of rooms, from an interior room to the owner's suite. We were fortunate enough to stay in a Penthouse Suite, which is 440 square feet, complete with a dining table and a seating area. You can have your butler deliver tapas daily, or you can stop by the executive lounge for a treat. The room also features an oversized bathroom with a shower and a bathtub. The walk-in closet is super spacious. They also have free guest laundry, which we definitely took advantage of. My favorite part of the room was our private veranda. We had the opportunity to spend time in the Oceania Suite, which is located on the back of the ship. If you're looking to splurge, there's nothing like the views from back there. The Marina Lounge is where you go to board tenders and watch live entertainment. We saw a few different shows, including a comedy, dancing, and singing. What Oceania is probably best known for is their culinary experience. We ate at Toscana, which featured delicious Italian food with a view. We also ate at Red Ginger, which was our favorite restaurant. Since all of the food is included with your stay, we tried out a few different types of appetizers, entrees, and of course, dessert. There is also the grand dining room where you can dine for breakfast and dinner. Polo Grill is another great option as an upscale steakhouse. One of our favorite things to do every morning was to get cold-pressed juice and enjoy it on the back deck. Both Waves Grill and Terrace Cafe are the more casual dining options on Marina. Terrace Cafe is the buffet on board where you can get everything from sushi, salads, grilled-to-order items, and so much more. Horizons Lounge is where you can attend a variety of events, including afternoon tea and karaoke. If you like to sit with a book and a coffee on your vacation, then check out the library located right by baristas. This is where we got custom-made lattes every day of our cruise. When the ship leaves the first port, they hold a dance party on the pool deck, which was pure entertainment. We can't wait to take you to all of the ports with us. Our first stop was Barcelona. In Barcelona, we decided to see the infamous La Sagrada Familia, also known as the Basilica de la Sagrada Familia, which means Basilica of the Holy Family in Spanish. The finished church will feature 3 grand facades: the Nativity facade to the east, the Passion facade to the west, and the Glory facade to the south. It was commissioned by Josep Maria Bocabella and designed by architect Antoni Gaudí. Gaudí worked on the project for 43 years until his death in 1926. Unfortunately, in 1936, revolutionaries broke into the workshop and destroyed many of Gaudí's designs and set fire to the crypt. It took 16 years to piece together the remains of the design work. There was hope to complete the project by 2026, but it appears that won't happen due to delays during the pandemic. It is currently the largest unfinished Roman Catholic church in the world. In order for Gaudí to achieve his design concept of a close relationship between heaven and earth, he wanted the church to be tall with lots of light. He needed very large windows, which meant the walls could not be load-bearing. The columns were then designed to bear the load instead, and were made to resemble trees branching out. When visiting Sagrada Familia, you can pay extra to go up into the towers. However, they are very narrow and steep, and I'm very claustrophobic, so we decided to skip that. Although the design of Sagrada Familia has a European Gothic influence, it is unlike anything else of its kind. The design is immensely complex, with no exact right angles and few straight lines on the entire structure. Although there has been a lot of controversy and strong opinions about the church over the time of its construction, one thing for sure is that it is without a doubt an immensely large and complex structure, and is definitely worth seeing if you are in Barcelona. Be sure to like and subscribe because we are heading to Saint-Tropez, France in our next video.